Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of December, and this is weekly reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your messages, Aries. So Aries, let's see your messages. Your first card, Nine of Wands, the Sun, Temperance. Yeah, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Especially one person in this connection could be Sagittarius. Here too, I'm getting two categories. One category is you. I think one person in this connection may be right now guarded up because they want some space. There is no balance in this connection. There is no balance. That's why they want some space. They want balance. It could be you or your person, and that is all for good because the Sun card is here. Whatever this person is doing for good, okay? If you are there, if you're taking some space from your person, definitely it is for good. I am getting what so Temperance, definitely the patience and balance is needed in this connection right now. So let's see some more, then we will get more clarity what's going. Death, Justice, Judgment. I think for some undergoing some legal issues, marriage issues, divorce. For some, definitely Justice with Judgment. I think you will get justice, Aries, definitely. That's, I think your person may be in and out of your life. I think you cut them off. You guarded up for some. Definitely take what resonate and leave the rest. I think one person in this connection undergoing some spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Scorpio or Libra. Definitely some major decisions. It's decision time. I think your person may be coming back to you. That's why you guarded up. You cut them off. Some decisions, I am getting decision making here. So let's see some more. King of Cups. Yeah, coming back to you. Yeah, someone coming back for someone coming back to you to offer long-term commitment and to offer their cup of love to you, Aries. Yeah, this time they are very, I think this is very sincere offer with Knight of Pentacles, with Eight of Pentacles. Definitely they want to work on this relationship this time. In past, maybe there is no equal give and take in this relationship, but now your person want to work on this relationship very seriously. Yeah, this time they are very sincere and serious also because they have emotions for you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. If you are in separation, definitely your person is coming back to you. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to marry you and they want to commit to you, okay? You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energies here are Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So it's up to you because decision, the ball is in your court. Because Justice and Judgment, you have to make decision, Aries. Two of Cups, Eight of Swords, King of Pentacles. Yeah, long-term commitment, stability, definitely coming. But I think you are stuck. For some, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. They're coming back, but you are feeling stuck somewhere. You are feeling stuck, Aries. But there is equal love between both of you. You both could be soulmates also. Yeah, they're coming back with solid offer. This time they are sincere. If it is not third party, definitely they are sincere this time. Yeah, Aries. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So it's up to you. Definitely decision is yours this time. So let's see. Let's pull some cards. Your person current feelings, then your future actions. Then we will get more clarity. So Aries, your person current feelings first. Six of Swords, Justice two times. Definitely they want second chance. Yeah, Six, yeah, there is no equal give and take. Already I told you. Definitely, your person now want to offer equal give and take to this connection, and they want second chance, and they want to fix the things between both of you. Six of Swords, some communication, honest communication, and they want to express their feelings to you, Aries. Definitely, they want second chance, and they want to offer equal give and take, because Justice with the Six of Pentacles. See. Your person want to offer second chance, want to offer equal give and take, and they want second chance. But decision is yours. It's up to you to give second chance. But there is mutual love between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aries. Three of Wands. 10 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles. I think there will be some delay in this process, because 3 of Wands means waiting game. Definitely this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, countries or states. 10 of Wands, definitely right now your person feeling overburdened. This energy, your person right now feeling this energy. And 7 of Pentacles, definitely they want to invest in this connection. Yeah. See here, investment, definitely they want to invest in this connection, but I think your person also waiting for you to come back. 3 of Wands, but you will not make any move towards them. Definitely they are thinking about second chance. They will approach you if you are not make any move. Yeah, waiting is here definitely. So your person maybe wait for some and wait for the right time to come towards you. After that, they will definitely make a move towards you, and they want second chance, and they want to offer equal give and take. Definitely they want to invest in this connection, Aries. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of fire energy here and earth energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Mutual energy. Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, Page of Wands, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, still for some there is separation between both of you. Yeah, some communication, lot of passion is there. Some communication is coming. I think communication is the key here. Queen of Swords. One person in this connection is very straightforward and honest. I think it could be you, Aries. And a lot of passion is there. And one person in this connection may be younger than the other person. Yeah. I think honest communication, sincere offer is coming towards you, Aries, what I am seeing here. Yeah. This time your person is very serious, because Eight of Pentacles is there. Definitely your person want to offer equal give and take, and they want second chance. Definitely this time they want to express their true feelings to you, Aries. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think communication, honest communication I am seeing here, and this time they want to be honest with you. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. Yeah, communication, Page of Pentacles, King of Swords, Empress and Two of Pentacles. I think you definitely have to make some decision. You are juggling. Yes, it's your decision time, because you have to make decision, because they are coming back. The ball is in your court. You have to choose what you want and what don't you want. And Empress, definitely you stand by your power, and your person sees you like an Empress. And King of Swords, definitely some communication, honest communication is coming in your way, and you are also very honest and very committed to in this connection. You are always there for your person. Page of Pentacles, definitely some communication is coming in your way. I think communication, I think some honest and crucial communication, important, some important communication is going to be happen between you and your person. Yeah. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Five of Wands, Empress, Hanged Woman, Five of Pentacles. Definitely they are feeling sad for the separation, 5 of Pentacles, and they are stuck. I think your person may be stuck. And 5 of Wands, yeah, they are thinking about the past and digging about the past a lot this time. That's why they are stuck. And Empress, definitely they see you like an Empress. Some delay is here because 3 of Wands, but your person, Knight of Pentacles also slow moving energy, 8 of Pentacles is also slow moving energy. They are coming back with stable offer, with sincere offer, but in divine timing. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.